Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Windows 11 24H2, which was last year's annual feature update, has most probably not been the best and most stable release that Microsoft has ever pushed out in regards to an update. And if you have been watching this channel for some time, most of the videos that are posted on 24H2 were regarding known issues that Microsoft had confirmed with the 2024 feature update. Now, it does seem that Microsoft now has basically admitted once and for all now that 24H2 is broken. And that's according to this support article, which I'll leave linked in the description if you'd like some more information. With Microsoft saying, if we head into our Windows update history, and we head to July of this year, this update, KB 5062553, Microsoft has said from that support article that after provisioning a PC with a Windows 11 version 24H2 monthly cumulative update released on or after July, which is the said update, various apps such as Start Menu, Experience Host, Search, System Settings, Taskbar, or Explorer might experience difficulties. And those are core components of the operating system. And Microsoft says that this will occur under the following conditions. Number one, first-time user logon after a cumulative update was applied. And number two, all user logons to a non-persistent OS installation, such as a virtual desktop infrastructure or equivalent, as application packages must be installed each logon in such scenarios. Now, it's quite a bit technical if you are not so tech savvy, but nonetheless, what Microsoft is trying to say is that core components of the OS have been broken after installing this update and any newer and later updates for 24H2. There's no mention of 25H2. Now, if we head back to the posts, Microsoft says that common symptoms include, but are not limited to, the following: XAML components. Now, XAML, in case you're unaware, stands for Extensible Application Markup Language and is a language that's based on XML and is used extensively in different types of apps to build user interfaces like your Start Menu, Taskbar, File Explorer, and so on. Core components of Windows 11 and the Windows operating system as a whole. So basically, you can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp because I don't want to make this video too technical. So here's the common symptoms. And here are the shell components that can fail and report an on-screen error or silently fail to execute, such as the following: Explorer.exe, which is basically your taskbar, your Start Menu, File Explorer. Shellhost.exe, Start Menu Experience Host, application crashes when initializing the XAML views, Explorer running but no taskbar window. Other XAML island views fail to initialize immersive shell. So these are core components of Windows. Now, Microsoft does say there are other symptoms over and above those main symptoms where Explorer crashes, which is the shell of your PC. The Start menu fails to launch, often displaying a critical error message. Head into your settings system. This can silently fail to launch according to Microsoft. And the shellhost.exe crashes, application crashes when initializing XAML views once again, and Explorer running but no taskbar window. And these are all issues that from time to time have raised their head, as I've posted on previously, and Microsoft is now basically admitting that these components, mainly the shell of Windows 11 24H2, have been broken in some circumstances. Now, Microsoft says that the cause of all of this is that the applications mentioned have dependency on XAML packages, so the apps are not registering in time after installing the update. So that's the main cause. And Microsoft says that the resolution is it's working on a resolution and will provide more information when it is available. You would have thought that back from July that this would have been sorted out already, but nonetheless, just keeping you guys posted. Now, Microsoft does say that until they resolve these issues, there are workarounds. So if we head to the support document, I'm going to say at the outset that I don't think your average Joe is going to manage these workarounds, because it includes manual registration of missing packages, which is basically running scripts in PowerShell and the like. And I'll leave, as mentioned, this support document in the description if you'd like to try these out. If you're not faint of heart to try and resolve issues, if you are experiencing issues that we have mentioned in this video, until Microsoft sometime rolls out a resolution and a fix, because they don't give us any specifics, a date and a time. So I thought this was interesting. And it seems now that once and for all, Microsoft themselves are now also mentioning and admitting that Windows 11 24H2, to some extent or the other, is broken. And if I get any more info, I'll let you guys know. But I have found, as I've mentioned previously, that updating to 25H2 for me personally has fixed a lot of issues that I did experience in 24H2. And I did post a whole video on that previously. But nonetheless, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.